Today, we celebrate the vibrant spirit of community through games, colors, and tradition, the SGS way.
That's right. Before we move on, we are also honored to have with us today some very special guests. Please join me in acknowledging Miss Amy Regis and Mr. Stanley Law. Thank you for being with us today.
20% relevance to the team, 20%, presentation and confidence, 20%. With your cheers and applause, let's welcome the contestants for Dress Up Challenge. Let's begin with contestant number 1.
Good afternoon, everyone. Fishan Lincalios,
Good afternoon, everyone. Nilem San Marticio.
representing Business Assurance.
Mascara Festival is a cultural and tourism celebration held every October in Bacolod City, featuring dancers and inspiring dance, formal costumes, and energetic street performances. It promotes optimism and joy.